As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing sugars, acids, and certain compounds in fruit, putting seniors at higher risk for blood sugar spikes, digestive distress, and dangerous drug interactions. This script uncovers 8 fruits that seniors should limit or avoid, ranging from high-sugar staples like bananas and melons to medication-interfering grapefruit and sugar-concentrated dried fruits, and offers safer alternatives to protect health and well-being. Medication regimens can turn even harmless fruits into health hazards. In the next 4 to 5 minutes, we'll count down 8 fruits that could be sabotaging your health and what you can eat instead. Why avoid? Ripe bananas can score as high as GI 62, sending blood sugar skyrocketing in older adults whose insulin response is already slower. Risk: rapid glucose surges increase the risk of insulin resistance and fatigue. Why avoid? Despite low fiber, watermelon's GI can range from 74 to 80, making it a high GI fruit for seniors prone to sugar spikes. Cantaloupe also loads seniors with fructose without the fiber buffer, leading to sudden blood sugar jumps. Why avoid? Mango clocks in at GI 56 with a glycemic load of 8.4, classifying it as a medium GI fruit that can still spike sugar in sensitive seniors. Risk: nearly 60 kilocalories per 100 gram come almost entirely from sugar, straining glucose control. Why? Avoid: fresh pineapple GI ranges 51-66, while canned versions soar up to 94 due to added syrups. Risk: acidic profile irritates aging digestive tracts, and high sugar worsens glycemic control. Why avoid? Grapefruit interferes with over 50 medications, especially for blood pressure and cholesterol, by altering drug metabolism. Risk: mixing grapefruit with prescriptions can lead to dangerously high drug levels or reduced effectiveness. Why avoid? Drying concentrates sugars. Raisins contain 79 gram carbs per 100 gram, while dates hold 75 gram, making a small handful a sugar bomb. Risk: rapid sugar absorption can trigger blood sugar crashes and energy slumps. Why avoid? Peaches and apricots carry moderate to high fructose, 5.9 g and 1.3 g per fruit, respectively, yet offer minimal fiber to slow absorption. Risk: fructose overload stresses liver function and impairs glucose regulation. Why avoid? Sapota's GI sits at 55-65, causing steady yet significant blood sugar rises in seniors with compromised insulin sensitivity. Risk: dense carbs make portion control essential. Overindulgence can lead to chronic hyperglycemia. Low GI picks: berries, GI 40, green apples, GI 36, and citrus-like oranges, GI 43, deliver vitamins and fiber without huge sugar loads. Pair wisely. Combine fruit with protein or healthy fats, e.g. yogurt, nuts, to blunt sugar spikes and support digestion. Seniors, it's time to rethink your fruit bowl. Limiting these 8 high-risk fruits can protect your blood sugar, gut health, and medication safety. Comment if you're swapping to low GI fruits, and subscribe for more senior wellness tips.